Good morning from Grand Family Farm. It's June 21st, 2025. It's about 10:30 in the morning. There's a little guy. And it's cold today. It's 55 degrees. The goats don't mind. They'll run around playing. There's the four babies right there all together. Of course, Bella's baby. Oreo is a lot bigger than the other ones. Then Brandy's baby, which is, oh, well, that just ran away. There it is. It's actually born later, but is bigger than the two that Molly had. Now it's starting to rain. I hope those goats realize they can use that house over there for shelter, and along with this one here, because the gate is open. Brandy's already been in it, checking it out, since she don't live there. Just wondering what that was all about. Yeah, Harold, you just stand out here in the rain as you packed your house full of hay. I don't know why you would do that. That's going to be a lot of work for me getting that back out. So I got my eggs before the chickens start eating them. All right, you guys be good down here. Stay out of the rain.